Python dictionaries are powerful data structures that store data in key value pairs. They allow for efficient data retrieval and manipulation. Unlike lists, dictionaries are unordered and keys must be unique and immutable. Understanding how to create, access, and modify dictionaries is essential for leveraging their full potential in Python programming. A dictionary in Python is a versatile data structure that stores data as key value pairs. Each key is unique and immutable, while values can be any data type. This allows for efficient data retrieval and manipulation, making dictionaries ideal for organizing and accessing data quickly. Dictionaries in Python store data as key value pairs, acting as organized containers where each key is unique and immutable, such as strings, numbers, or tuples. Values can be any data type, including strings, numbers, lists, or even nested dictionaries. Keys serve as labels for quick data access, like in the example, name, Alice, age, 30, job, engineer. Consider a traditional dictionary. Words are unique keys, and definitions are their values. Similarly, Python dictionaries map keys to values, enabling quick lookups. Each key acts as a unique identifier, while the value is the associated data, allowing for efficient data retrieval and management. Dictionaries offer lightning-fast retrieval with 0.1 average lookup time, ensuring near-instant data access. They provide maximum flexibility, allowing values to be strings, numbers, lists, or even other dictionaries. Since Python 3.7, dictionaries preserve insertion order, making them predictable and reliable for data management. Creating dictionaries in Python can be done using literal syntax or the dict constructor. The literal syntax is straightforward and ideal for most scenarios, while the dict constructor is beneficial for converting sequences of pairs. An empty dictionary can be initialized with curly braces or dict, allowing for dynamic data addition. Creating dictionaries in Python can be done using literal syntax or the dict constructor. The literal syntax is straightforward and ideal for most cases, while the dict constructor is beneficial for converting sequences of pairs. An empty dictionary can be initialized using curly braces or dict, allowing dynamic data addition. In Python, dictionaries can be created using literal syntax or the dict constructor. Both methods yield the same result. For example, my dict, apple, fruit, and my dict, apple, fruit. Both produce apple, fruit. This flexibility allows for clear and concise code, accommodating various coding preferences. Nested dictionaries allow for complex data structures, ideal for modeling real-world relationships. For instance, an employee record can store details like name, role, and skills. Accessing nested data involves sequential key access, such as employee's MP001 name, which returns Sarah Chen. This structure supports multiple hierarchical levels, enhancing data organization and retrieval.